In this video we will talk about what is Terra, the pros of investing in Terra, the cons of investing in Terra. Should you buy Terra in 2021? So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from Cryptoers1, the YouTube channel where you can find all the news about crypto, NFT and blockchain. Every day a new video. Follow us not to miss the news. As a company, the best way to think of Terra is as a fully digital, decentralized financial institution. It has its own kind of central reserve. Its customers can earn interest on their assets, spend them through its payment system, and even invest in synthetic stocks. And the token, Terra, Luna, underpins much of what the company does. What is Terra? Terra is a universal payment system which was launched in 2019 on the Ethereum blockchain, making cryptocurrency more user-friendly and popular across the globe. Terra aims to create a decentralized network for both fast and scalable payment solutions linked to stable currencies. Key features and takeaways of Terra. Terra is one of the popular cryptocurrency projects in the industry that has the following key features and takeaways. Terra uses an elastic monetary policy that creates a price-stable crypto which is pegged to a variety of fiat currencies. However, the development team realized that price stability is not enough to ensure that there is widespread adoption. Terra's development team, through its policy, aims to create an efficient fiscal spending regime which is managed by its treasury. Proposals from the community is vetted by the rest of the ecosystem, and when they are approved, they are financed with the objective to increase adoption and subsequently increase use cases. Terra works to develop and support stable payments and to open various financial infrastructures supported by several seigniorage-style stablecoins, which are pegged to several fiat currencies. All these are stabilized by Terra's native token, Luna, by using algorithms. Terra is, in a part, a digital central bank, and another part of its unique system helps to replace complicated and expensive payment chains that consist of banks, gateways, and credit card networks. Terra offers merchants and consumers with efficiency and versatility while consistently improving the infrastructure and tools of the overall ecosystem, reaching a payment system that is distributed, transparent, and credibly neutral. Terra's partner system, Chai, has already seen mass adoption with more than 2 million users in South Korea. The team hopes to use this as a boost to create more widespread systems and to expand further. Luna is used for staking, which secures the network, helps with governance and collateralization for price stability of the stablecoins. The pros of investing in Terra. 1. Stablecoin market. Terra caters to the stablecoin market due to its high demand and convenience. They can easily be used to avoid market volatility and hence, once can safeguard their investment. It provides Terra USD, USD, pegged to USD. Terra KRW pegged to Korean won and Terra SDT based on the IMF Special Drawing Rights, SDR. 2. Decentralization. Terra is one of the best decentralized stablecoin. Terra USD is a great alternative to Tether, USD or other stablecoins which are backed by reserves. DAI is now backed by 50% USD, hence no longer as decentralized as USD. Since USD is non-collateralized stablecoin, its price is adjusted via algorithm and burning of Luna coins. 3. Interoperability. Terra tokens functions across multiple blockchains, hence users can easily transfer assets from one blockchain to another. Right now, they are live on Ethereum and Solana, and as per their website, more blockchains are coming soon. 4. Financial framework. Terra provides a blockchain framework to create a digital financial system where banks and governments are not required. Mirror Protocol built the creation of fungible assets, synthetics, and they track the price of other assets. They can be traded and used on Terra network. 5. Transaction speed and cost. Terra blockchain can perform hundreds of transactions per second. Terra transactions are usually settled within 6 seconds and only cost a few cents to execute. Validators set a minimum gas fee to avoid spamming and reject transactions if they do not comply. Apart from that, taxes are charged on each transaction ranging from 0.1% to 1% capped at 1 Terra SDR. Both gas fees and taxes are distributed among validators and Luna stakeholders. 6. DeFi yield. Anchor Protocol allows everyone to stake their Terra stablecoins and earn up to 20% yields, and this percentage does not move much, hence stable yields. I don't know any DeFi platforms providing such returns on stablecoins. 7. User base. Terra is mostly popular in South Korea and Mongolia with Chai and MemePay app. It has 2M active users in payments apps which process $1B transaction volume per year. Terra provides fast, cheap, reliable, secure cross-border payments. The cons of investing in Terra. 1. Adoption. Although Terra is getting popular in Asian region, especially because of its huge user base in South Korea, it will take a long way to expand in bigger markets like Europe, Americas, and Oceania. Ethereum and its scaling competitors are much ahead when it comes to adoption. 2. Limited nodes. Terra allows only 100 active validators or block producers, which are keeping the network stable. Although it provides an edge in terms of speed of the transactions, but it makes Terra less decentralized than other blockchains. 3. Regulations. Various governments all over the world have started preparing for CBDCs. Terra's stablecoins could get hit if the stringent laws are incorporated, negating stablecoins. South Korea already faces strict crypto regulations and fears of centralization. 4. Roadmap. Terra's roadmap is not updated after Q2 2021. That's a bummer because we cannot predict the future based on the information that is not available. Should you buy Terra, Luna, in 2021? Terra wants to revolutionize the e-commerce payment system and enable a full-fledged financial system by becoming the biggest stable of stablecoins. Its decentralized, permissionless, and interoperable features make it an ideal blockchain platform to support the digital economy. Luna, the native coin of Terra, exploded in prices recently. It managed to make more than 2,000% of profits in the past 2 months. Due to its gaining popularity, several listings and partnerships happened recently. Terra's ecosystem is expanding rapidly, providing multiple e-commerce, DeFi, and NFT-related solutions. In order to mint a new USD, Terra USD token, an equivalent amount of Luna coin is burned and vice versa. In future, once Terra expands to a larger user base, demand for Luna will increase and a lot of burning will happen. You know how it works in e-commerce transactions. This can provide an upward push to Luna's price. Please note that investing in all cryptocurrencies is risky, and considering the amount of uncertainty going around due to regulations and CBDCs, Luna may not be a fit investment for you unless you are based out of crypto-friendly countries. However, it isn't all smooth sailing. Here are a couple of areas to watch out for. 1. Coins. Various governments around the world are considering launching their own digital government currencies. Some, like China, are already in the process of piloting them. Central bank digital currencies could negate a lot of the need for stablecoins, which would adversely affect Terra and Luna. These coins would be digital versions of ordinary currencies, centralized and backed by the government. Like stablecoins, they'd offer speed and reduced transaction costs, but they wouldn't carry the same risks. The US is considering a digital dollar, which would likely edge dollar stablecoins out of the market. The Federal Reserve is weighing the pros and cons of a US government-backed digital currency. Some argue the US risks being left behind, while others believe it could introduce unnecessary security risks. 2. Increased regulation. If Terra continues to expand, it will become exactly the kind of borderless digital bank that regulators are trying to avoid. From the US to Asia to Europe, the concern is that stablecoins and decentralized finance could undermine the monetary systems of individual countries. And unsurprisingly, authorities don't want to throw away layers of investor protection that have evolved over decades. Terra is based in South Korea, which has already introduced tighter regulations this year. The new rules mean crypto exchanges have to partner with local banks to stay on the right side of anti-money laundering laws. In the US, the discussion over stablecoins has intensified in recent months, with everybody from Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen to SEC Chair Gary Gensler stressing the need for action. The challenge is putting enough controls in place to mitigate consumer and economic risks, while also respecting investors' privacy and customer rights. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.